Hi, Jazz again. I just thought I'd show you a couple of different foundations from Silk Oil of Morocco today. So I'm going to be showing you the liquid foundation, the cream compact foundation, and some loose mineral powder. I'm just going to compare how they look on the skin and best ways to apply that. So with every foundation look, the first thing I like to start with is of course a primer, and thankfully Silk have a 2-in-1. So this is going to hydrate your skin, cuts down on time being a 2-in-1, and it's going to prepare your skin for the best makeup wear throughout the day. So longevity of your foundation with no separation through your nose or your chin. A lot of people sort of talk about it caking up in around here. So your primer is going to avoid all of that. And I always like to start with 2 full pumps and just using your fingers to apply the product as you would a moisturizer. Nice massage into the skin. Make sure you go up underneath the eyes and take it right across your forehead. And if there's any extra left over, I'll just put it on the back of my hands. Okay, so the first foundation I'll show you is the Argan Liquid Foundation. Very similar consistency to a BB. It's formulated with shea butter, jojoba oil, aloe vera, and Silk's signature ingredient, which is the certified organic argan oil. So it feels absolutely divine on the skin, very similar, as I was saying, to a BB, except that you'll be able to build your coverage from light to medium, and then you can also obviously add in your concealers and finish with the loose mineral powder to give that airbrush finish. And the more products you work with and different brushes you work with, you'll get that fuller coverage. So what I like to apply mine with is the Foundation 250 Vegan Airbrush. Now the reason why these are called a vegan airbrush is simply because there's no animal hair in the products at all. I just use the back of my hand to kind of press that in. There's no animal byproducts in any of these cosmetics or in the brushes. So when you hear the word vegan airbrush, that actually means that there's just no animal hair in the brush. And the airbrush is usually referring to the finish of how your foundation is going to look. So it'll look like it's been airbrushed on seamlessly, no streaks, no missed areas in coverage. So that is one light application using the vegan airbrush. So that's a really gorgeous full, I'm actually happy with that coverage just for everyday wear. Okay, so now I'll show you the vegan powder foundation. I actually like to apply this one with a kabuki. So your kabuki brushes are always the one with the shorter hair, and usually you'll find it's got the shorter handle as well. This is so you can have more control over application, and with the Silk one you'll actually find it's got a little retractable section here, so if you elevate it up the brush becomes dense, so that gives you more ability to build up in certain areas, and then if you lower that you'll just get a dusting. You've just got your holes in the top here. That actually does come with a sticker on it, and you can just perforate a couple of holes so you can get enough distribution into your lid. That's sort of where we pop it in to apply. So this powder provides express coverage. It literally feels so light on the skin that honestly you'll forget you've got it on and you'll probably wear it to bed. And the good thing about that is that if you accidentally do that, there's no nasties in it. So no talc, no parabens, no alcohol, and no SLS, SLES, ALS. Okay, so there we have it. That's the finished look of the mineral powder, and I've just used the kabuki to apply that as well. So I'll come up nice and close just so you can see that there is absolutely no streaking and a seamless blend there on colour, and it doesn't set in your creases or anything. Okay, so the next foundation is the Vegan Cream Compact. My colour that I have here is medium light, but the shade is called cream. So it's a yellow based, kind of sits in the middle, pink and yellow. It's a mixture of those. So it's an ultra creamy formula. It's infused with certified organic argan oil, packed full of vitamins and minerals, and antioxidants, so it just gives your skin a really good moisture boost. You're going to get medium to full coverage, and I mean seriously conceals everything. Covers imperfections of your skin colour, discolorations, blemishes in one go. So it also comes with a little sponge inside the compact, mirrored compact, nice and handy to go anywhere with you, travel anywhere. My favourite brush is the foundation brush. I do prefer to use that with most foundations. So you just want to swirl around. I'll do one half of my face with the brush and then the other with the sponge, just so you can see. So you'll see the full colour coming out there. Look at that, amazing. And just one swipe on the skin can really get you that full coverage. I find it nice just to let it sit on the skin for a little while before you do another one, if you were to come in and layer here. So now using the sponge, it's really easy for those maybe quick office meetings. You just want to freshen up a little. Again, nice and quick for that morning routine as well. If you're in a hurry, need to get out the door with the kids for school, but you don't want to look tired at the school gate, this is perfect. Running late with your alarm and you've got to get in the car and commute, you can have that done. Here we go.